Hi everybody, Dave Warhead here. Today we're going to be making vegan scrambled no eggs. And for this recipe we need a very special kind of salt that you can only get at your local Indian grocery store or online. I couldn't find it at my main grocery stores. And it's called black salt or Kala Namak. And it's definitely crucial to this recipe, so you can't skip it and just use regular salt. And if you love the taste of eggs before you became vegan, you're going to love it. So let's get started.
Here are the ingredients. I will also list the ingredients down below the video. Remove water from the tofu using paper towels. Spray your pan with cooking oil or use 2 tablespoons of vegan butter melted in the pan. Crumble the tofu as you add it to the pan. Cook and stir for about a minute. Break up any large pieces of tofu into smaller pieces. Add approximately 2 teaspoons of turmeric. This will turn the tofu yellow to make it look more like eggs. Stir until all the tofu turns yellow.
Add the garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, black salt, and nutritional yeast if you're using it. Cook for another 2 minutes, stirring constantly to ensure all of the ingredients are well combined.
Nutritional yeast is an easy way to add B vitamins to your diet, and it adds a nice flavor. Congrats, you just made vegan scrambled no eggs. I had mine with some toast with some vegan butter. Delicious. If you would like to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe. Thanks for stopping by. Bon appetit.